Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, it's a great honor being at the inaugural Guest Houses Models Conference, and on behalf of Allied Insurance Company, I would like to give a warm welcome to you all to this prestigious event. Today, my job is talk to you about insurance without making you fall asleep. So that's going to be a tough one, and it's almost lunch, so I'll try to be very quick. So, first of all, our agenda today, we're going to launch a few packages for guest house insurance specifically. And to do this, I would like to request our Managing Director, Mr. Ahmed Amil. I actually need his fingerprint. Guys, could you do this for me?
ಕುದರತಿ ಕಾರಿಸಾತಕ ಅಲಿಫಾನುಗೆ ಹಾದ್ಸಾತಕ್ ಮುಜಾಹರಾತಕ ವಕ್ಕಮ ಆದಿ ಏಕಿ ಗೊಯ್ಗುತುಂ ಕಸ್ತುಗಾಗ್ದೆವೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲೊ ವಿಯಫಾರಿ ಮಸಕ್ಕತುಗ ತಿಮ್ಮಣ ಫರಾತ ಲಿಬಿದಾಣೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲೊ ವೆರಿಫರಾತುಗೆ ಕುಶೆ ನೆತಿ ವಿಯಫಾರಿಯಂ ಅಣ್ಣ ಹುಟ್ಟುಂ ಅದಿ ಎ ಮುದ್ದತುಗೆ ತೆರೆಗ ಗೆಲ್ಲಿಗಿಂದ ಫෑದ ಎಗ್ಗಮ ಖಂಡುದತುರು ಫತುರು ಮೂದು ಕುಳಿವರು ಆದಿ ಡೈವಿಂಗ್ ಫದ ಹರ್ಕ್ಯಾತಕುಂ ಲಿಬೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲೊ ವಿಯಫಾರಿಗೆ ಅಗುಹುರಿ ಎಸಟ್ಟಕ ಲಿಬೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲೊ ಅಗುಹುರಿ ಮುವಜ್ಜಫುಂಗೆ ರಕ್ಕಾತೆರಿಕಂ ದಿವೆಹಿ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ತಕ ರಕ್ಕಾತೆರಿಕಮು ಫುರಿಗೆಂಬ ಖಾಸ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ತಕ ಆಯ್ಕು ಅಲೈಡ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಖಿದ್ಮತಕಿ ಮಿ ತಫಾತು ಅದಿ ಖಾಸ ವಿಯಫಾರಿಗ ಲಿಬಿದಾಣೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲೊಂತಕುಂ ವಿಯಫಾರಿ ರಕ್ಕಾತೆರಿಕೋ ಹಿಮಾಯ ಕುರ್ಮ ಫರ್ಮಾ ಕುರೀಫಾವಾ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಫುರಿಹಮ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಖಿದ್ಮೆ ಖಾಸ ಥೀಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಕಾಯಕು ಮಿಯದು ಮಿತಾರಫ್ ಕುರವೆ ಖಿದ್ಮತುಗೆ ಸಬಬು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ವ್ಯಫಾರಿಗೆ ತೆರೆಗ ಲಿಬಿದಾಣಿಕಮ ಲಫಾ ಕುರವೆ ಗೀನ ಬೊಡೆತಿ ಗೆಲ್ಲುಂತಕುಗೆ ಬದಲ್ ಹೋದುಮ ಫುರ್ಸತ್ ಹುಳುವಿಗೆಂದಾಣೆ.
Okay, so that wasn't so boring, right? I mean, no clap. Okay, before I go ahead, I'd like to get a little something from the stall again, if you guys can bring me that. We had to keep people in the queue actually for 2 days to get this, so I could give this to you today. It's an iPhone 7, so hang on and don't try to sleep. If you sleep, I won't give this. Okay, keep it right here. Now listen very, very carefully, because this presentation is going to help you get this. Okay? About us. Allied Insurance Company was established in 1985. Years of operation 31 years, very important information. You see? Number of employees 190 plus, we keep varying. And our services are conventional and takaful, so we have an Islamic window as well called Ayadi Takaful. And one more thing. Our insurance capacity for us to go and insure a resort or a guest house or anything, our insurance capacity is, keep this in mind, 2.3 billion Dubai rupiah. Okay? Got that? I think you should take notes. Okay, we are the largest team of trained insurance professionals in the country. We've got a leadership team of certified associate and chartered insurers, like Mr. Amil here. We have a very expert sales force over there whom you have to visit after this, and most experienced and technically qualified claim settlement team. Why I say this? Because we are the largest corporate insurance solutions provider. We have the largest corporate group health portfolio. You can speak to Mario over there in our stall about health, getting health insurance for your employees. Widest range of corporate takaful and takaful plans. We've got huge, almost like 42. And dedicated account management teams are there. And we have the best experience and understanding of the environment and culture. Why do I say this? Because during the tsunami, within days we were able to pay $7 million to the resorts. And I'm going to touch a little bit here. Our total payout was $22 million during the tsunami. And one thing that I would like to recommend right now is that from what my MD has told me, what my management team has told me, when the tsunami hit and when people really suffered for the first time in the resorts, they found out that they were underinsured. What they were doing was they were taking the mandatory insurance and just giving that cover, but the damage that they incurred at that time was really high. So some resorts really suffered. But now the resorts have started learning about this. They have all these good covers in place right now. So when you're insuring your guest house, it's important to not just take the mandatory one like the liability or the fire. You have to look at almost everything that you do. That was our total payout during the tsunami. And we have a nationwide insurance network. We don't really talk about this, but we've got North and South regional offices. We've got trained insurance agents in all major population centers. And our retail partnership with the government, post office, and Bank of Maldives, who I'm really proud to say is one of our best partners in the business. We are able to provide a lot of insurance through the branch offices in the regions. And they have presence in almost every island. We are technologically advanced. Our IT infrastructure is very strong. We are an e-commerce enabled insurer, which means you can go online and get insurance like motor and travel, even right now. And we have online portals connected to almost all the hospitals and private sector in the Maldives, where people can go and show a card and get the insurance services. And our development team is pretty strong too. So, risk management in paradise. That's what we are doing. We actually are telling you how to manage risk in this beautiful country. And that's why today we launched these 3 packages. I'm not going to go into detail on this, but there are 3 packages: budget, and premium. And to touch a little bit on them, because the documentary was in Dubai, I'm just doing this for the foreign contingent we have here. This is the basic package that we have, which will give you basically everything that you need from fire to natural perils and third-party liability. By having this, you've got a pretty comprehensive cover. But when you go to Budget Plus, you get all that plus burglary plus theft extension. If you get burglarized, if the guest house is somebody has a forced entry into the guest house and damages you, this happens. And we also give you accidental death and injury and permanent disability extension. What that means is, I know it's a lot, right? What that means is, when your employees, permanent employees, have an accidental injury where they are permanently disabled or they die, for instance, we are able to pay something out. And we also cover the injuries as well on this package. And then we go to premium, which is the one you should get. And this is actually cheaper than the other 2. The rates will be lower, but since insurance is calculated on your value of the guest house, we're not able to tell you prices, but our rates are lower as when you go higher up. For this, what happens is you get the benefits of both that went before, budget and budget plus, and you get a water sports extension. Basically, you can cover almost all your water sports activities, and then you have consequential loss. Now, what is that? Consequential loss is when a natural peril occurs and your guest house stops, the operation ceases, we are able to look at your financial readings and calculate the number of money that you're losing in that period, and then we are paying you that. And the other good thing is, if you have a standing cost at that time, for example, you might be having your guest house on somebody else's land which is rented. This happened during the tsunami, right? For everybody's motorbikes, people were paying installment to Shisha, and then the bikes were, my bike was definitely taken away into the water, and then I had to pay that installment, which was a standing cost that I had to incur. So we also cover that standing cost on consequential loss. So this is the package that you should go for, that I would like you to go for, but it's up to you. You need to go and talk to our people over there after lunch. All right? And you can also add on whatever that you need onto any of these packages. What we have done is can everybody see? You can see, right? Okay, what we've done is we put all these at preferential rates. We've actually lowered the rates on this, and you can actually get a budget package, and then you can go and take an insurance package for your jet ski, for example. So if your jet ski is completely damaged beyond repair, we give you the jet ski. We give you the the return on that. We pay the claim. And then you can go and insure your machinery, your electronic equipment. You can insure people who are going diving using Divers Association Network, which is a world-renowned insurance. So that's basically it for this, and now for the phone, okay? What I want you to do is, I want you to go, take your mobile phone out. You know, everybody does this at conferences. Somebody's talking up here, everybody's looking at their phone. So now you're going to use it for me. Take out your phone, go to kahoot.id. Type in on your browser, kahoot.id. Can you do that? Alright. Okay, there's the pin. Have you got the pin? Okay. Please enter a name that is unique to you. Too many Ahmads, we won't know who won. Right? Okay, how many have you got? Everybody on? How many do we have here, by the way, guys? 160? 160? 136. So what's going to happen here, I'll explain, okay? We're going to put a question on screen, and your phone is going to act like a remote control. It's going to have 4 squares, and there's going to be 4 answers on the screen. And each answer will have a separate color. So you'll have to press the right color on the phone to vote the correct answer. And the faster you do this, the more points you get. Okay? Can I start now? Right, 10 questions. Okay, about Allied Insurance Company and what we do. First one, how old is Allied Insurance Company of the Maldives? The answers are going to be right there. Start voting. You have 60 seconds on this one. Alright, time up. 20, 14 and 7, definitely, huh? Few people were not listening. Okay, we were actually established in 1985 at 31 years old, almost 32. And we got a lot of experience behind us. Next question, ready? Okay. Okay, right now a person called Kabi is leading by 982 points. Who's Kabi? Okay, what is the insurance capacity of Allied Insurance Company? You have 30 seconds this time. If you can't see, you're going to have to move. Yeah. 12, 11, the correct answer is 2.3 billion MVR. That's what I gave you, right? And a few of you got that wrong as well. So, okay, what I want to tell you here is that we can actually insure a resort which is valued at $100 million. So we are a pretty big company. We've got great reinsurers. We've got a lot of trust behind us. That's the whole purpose of this question, actually. All right, Beachbody. Beachbody is leading. How many guest house insurance packages does Allied have? There you go. I think you all know this one, right? No? Right, it's 3. It's guest house budget plus, and guest house premium. You almost all of you got that. Okay. Next one. Beachbody is leading again. Looks like Beachbody was listening, huh? What are the names of Alight's guest house insurance packages? This should be easy. You can't see that. Right, it's budget, budget plus and premium. Okay, you're going to remember that now, right? When you go home also you're going to remember that. So that's good. Ah, 4 people got that wrong. Wow. Beach Valley is pulling away. Guys, what guest house insurance package gives you theft cover? What guest house insurance packages gives you theft cover? I did give you this also. This was very interesting because you should have listened very carefully on this one. Okay, it's budget plus and premium. When you go for budget plus and premium, you get that. Okay? Let's make it a little bit more difficult. Ready? Who's leading? South. I know this guy. I know this guy. What guest house insurance package gives you extensions for water sports? There is a package which gives you an extension for water sports covers. Almost all the water sports that you have at your disposal. Alright, time's up. Okay, it's premium. It's the big one. The one that you should get. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. The one you should get. Right? And almost 90-80% of you got that. Okay? Next one. Still South is leading, but it's a very close. What is the deductible of Alight's third-party motor insurance? It's not about guest house, it's about Alight's motor insurance. There is a deductible on the third party. What is the deductible? It's 2,500 rupiah. You know why I did this? You are wondering what is deductible. Some of you will wonder. The thing is, when you give an insurance rate, for example, if you're going to a company to get insurance, and they will give you a premium rate and a deductible rate. A deductible rate is the amount they will deduct before paying you your claim. For example, if you're claiming for 100,000 rupiah, they will deduct 20,000 rupiah. So some of our competitors does this. To actually lower their premium rate, they raise the deductible and the customer suffers. We don't do that. So it's important to keep in mind. And motor insurance, you are going to be paid when you actually incur a cost that's more than 2,500 rupiah. So it's a good point to remember. Okay? Alright. South is still leading. What is the call center number of Allied Insurance Company? This should be really easy. We have a call center, where you can call and ask things and report claims. What do you think? It's 330033. Remember that. We're also trying to come up with a short code for this, but for now remember this number. Okay? Uh, Okay, thank you guys for really bearing with me and playing this. And I enjoyed meeting you all here today. I hope you learned a lot, and I was able to, not keep you so bored with insurance. Thank you very much.